Hello my dear Photoshop magicians, how is your life? In this video I will show you how you can add beautiful clouds to this image in just one simple click. Photoshop recently released a new feature, by recently I mean like literally yesterday, and the feature is called sky replacement. So as you can see, I have here my image and all I need to do is go to edit and sky replacement. It's that simple. Once I go there, we will have here a new window open, and let's just wait, it's loading for now. Boom! It's that simple. So as you can see, we have here our clouds and it looks pretty good, I would say. We can also choose from many other clouds. For example, if you go here, we have some blue clouds. I can click on them and it's going to automatically apply them to your image. And this looks pretty cool, I would say. And like once you have this, for example, like you also have here some spectacular stuff like rainbows, you know, maybe this type of clouds. Something really nice. Oh my god, this is amazing. You can go, for example, to fade edges, which is basically making the edges fade. It's pretty simple to understand, I think. If we reduce, as you can see, edges are not faded. Once I do it higher, edges are faded. I would say maybe in this case, in this specific case, I would make the fade out a bit less. We can also shift edges to make it go down, up. I don't want this. So brightness, we can make it darker, brighter. I think it's fine as it was. So, oops, let me make this 0. We have temperature again. This is going to make this sky, it's applying effect only to the clouds for now, only to this background. It's making it bluish, or you can also make it like really yellow. I will make this 0. And then scale, of course, you can make it bigger if you want to, or smaller. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna choose here something else. I'm gonna choose here, let's see, this looks nice, or maybe, the cool thing is that it's applying not only clouds but also some of the mountains, as we can see. So that's why you can just go and play with it and see what you really like. Okay, I really like this. I'm gonna choose this one. And now, let me make it 100. Now when I have it, here we have, for example, output to new layer or duplicate layer. I'm gonna choose new layer. Another cool thing is that before I click OK, I want to show you, we have here brush. This brush helps us to delete some of the effects. So for example, if you choose this brush, we have here opacity 50%, which means it's going to delete it very slightly. We have here plus, minus. Obviously minus means to delete it, plus means to show it. And also we have here brush settings like size, hardness. So if I, for example, start doing this, as you can see, I get rid of these clouds here. And for example, let's say I didn't want it, right? But of course I want it, so I'm gonna go to plus and I'm gonna add it back, and because I think it looks really good. Let's click OK now. And once we do that, as you can see, we have here a separate folder called sky replacement group, and I can turn off and turn this on. And what we have here is 3 objects. First, we have foreground color, which basically changes the tone of our image, so to make it adjust to the clouds. Then we have foreground lighting, which makes this darker to make the blending look much better. And then we have the sky, so you can work with these images as well. That's it guys for this video. This was pretty short and simple. But before you go, let me show you one thing and ask you, do you like this artwork? Yes or no? Okay, what about this artwork? Yes? What about this artwork? What about this artwork? Or this one? Or this one? So, as you already guessed, I have premium classes where I show people how to create stunning artworks and animations. If you just go to learnfromfred.com, link below, you can access over 60 cool projects for just $5 for your first month. You can master Photoshop if you don't know it yet. You can learn it from zero. You can learn After Effects and many other cool things. Love you guys. I'm so tired. This is already like video number 7 because I tried to cover all the new Photoshop features in one day and make them really short and sweet. See you. Bye bye.